Hello everyone, welcome back to EuroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in GATE solution. In this lecture, we will discuss previous year GATE questions of flight mechanics, and both this question was asked in GATE 2010. First question: an aircraft stalls at a speed of 40 meter per second in straight and level flight. The slowest speed at which this aircraft can execute a level turn at a bank angle of 60 degree. Option A 28.3 meter per second. Option B 40.40 meter per second. Option C 56.6 meter per second. Option D 80 meter per second. Okay, so we have a turn condition, a level turn condition, and the bank angle is 60 degree. You can see the figure. In this figure, the aircraft is turning at an angle of 60 degree. Okay, and you have to understand this is a lift force and this is the weight of the aircraft, and you can see we can just resolve this force component. So weight W will be equal to L dash cos 60 degree. Okay, so I can write that L dash cos phi, that is the bank angle. Okay, so from this equation I can write L dash is equal to W by cos phi. Okay, in this case we have W by cos 60 degree, so I can write L dash will be equal to 2W. Okay, this is really important here. Okay, so we have L dash is equal to 2W, and you are aware that the equation for stall velocity V stall is equal to root of 2W by rho SCL max. Okay, this is for a normal, for a level flight condition. Okay, now in this case the aircraft is turning at an angle 60 degrees, so they're asking to find out the slowest velocity. Slowest speed is nothing but the minimum stall velocity at phi is equal to 60 degree. So this will be root of 2 times L dash. Okay, 2 times L dash divided by rho S. Again we have CL max because we have to find out the slowest velocity. Okay, and for L dash I substitute as 2W. Okay, I put this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. So I can write as 2 into L dash is equal to 2W divided by rho SCL max. Okay, now if you observe this equation, you can see this part 2W by rho SCL max is the V stall. So finally I can write V stall at 60 degree bank angle is equal to, we have a root 2 here, root 2 into the stall velocity at level flight. So we have root 2 into 40, that will be equal to root 2 is 1.414, so it is approximately 56 degree, 56 no, degree not degree, 56.6 meter per second. Option C. Okay, so this is the answer for this first question. Second question: all other factors remaining constant, if the weight of an aircraft increases by 30%, then the takeoff distance increases by approximately 30%. Option B. Okay, that is, you have to understand the landing distance is always proportional to the weight of the aircraft. That's why takeoff distance as 30%. Okay, the takeoff distance is increased by 30%. So that's all about this lecture. Thank you for listening. Take care.